everyone! Welcome back again sa aking channel. Today is Thursday, Wednesday pala. And this is the weather here in Hong Kong now. Now is 5:45 in the afternoon. Ayan. Look at that. The view is beautiful. And the sun is still up. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Wait, I'm going to open the window and I'll show you outside without the window glass. Ayan, dito tayo sa bundok. O, diba? Ang ganda ng bundok ngayon at ang ganda ng langit. Kanina ay sobrang lakas ng ulan, but now is ang ganda na siya ng weather niya. Ayan, eto lang po ang lugar namin. Kita nyo, puro kakahuyan. Pero super ganda dito, guys. O, diba? Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan niyang ating pinakitang view ng aming place ngayong araw. Ayan, have a nice day everyone.